When running an online store in the UK, setting clear store policies is a crucial step. These terms not only protect the seller, but also build consumer confidence. Today, we will focus on the two most important sections in your back-end settings: shipping and returns. 1. Shipping policy. The core of a shipping policy is to be clear and transparent. Before placing an order, customers want to know, when will I get it? How much does it cost? Shipping methods and lead times. You must specify which courier you use. Example: we primarily use Royal Mail 48 service. Handling time. Clearly state how many business days it takes to process and dispatch an order after it is received. Shipping rates. Outline how shipping is calculated. Is it per item, by weight, or a flat rate? Free shipping threshold. This is a great way to attract customers. For example, free shipping on all orders over 60 pounds. 2. Refund and return policy. To operate an e-commerce business in the UK, you must comply with government consumer protection regulations. 14-day right to cancel. According to UK government regulations, online shoppers generally have the right to request a return within 14 days of receiving their goods, excluding certain specific products. You must state this clearly in your policy to remain compliant. Return process and costs. Procedure. How should customers contact you? Do they need to fill out a form or mail it back directly? Shipping responsibility. You must explicitly state whether the return shipping cost is covered by the customer or the store. Clarifying this prevents future disputes. Order cancellation. In addition to returns, your policy should cover how to handle requests to cancel an order before it has been dispatched.